How would you feel if you could get free customers on your website every single day from Pinterest? Hey everybody, welcome back to Affiliate 101. Today we're going to be learning about the best ways to get free organic reach for your brand or business through Pinterest. Now let's get started. What is Pinterest? Pinterest is a visual search engine, kind of like a YouTube for pictures. Like any search engine, people are looking to solve their problems. This is perfect for you as an affiliate marketer since you will be selling digital products that solve problems. You want to see Pinterest as an investment. Your pins, as well as your entire account, will gain in value as time goes on. Step 1. Sign up as an affiliate on ClickBank. ClickBank is an international site and signing up is free. Sign up as an affiliate, not a vendor. A vendor is someone who is looking to sell their products with affiliates. As an affiliate, your role will be helping to sell digital products from vendors. Step 2. Make your pin. Making a pin is simple, easy, and also free to do. In this video, I will be showing you the most affordable way to make pins on Canva.com. Canva is not sponsoring this video, but we want to give you a free walkthrough of the most friendly site for graphic design that allows you to make anything from Instagram posts to YouTube banners. Make sure to like and comment below if you would like us to do a full walkthrough step-by-step tutorial of this site called Canva.com. First, you need to pick your background color. As a professional digital marketer, I've learned that people love consistency. Whatever color you decide, please be aware that this color represents your brand. Pro tip: bright colors stand out the most. I recommend using light colors to stand out from your competition, especially on a site like Pinterest. This will allow you to catch the attention of others since you will be among hundreds or thousands of pins. Make sure your text includes value. Also, you want the font to be bold and easily readable. For example, if we were to make a pin for this brand, one might say, the best ways to market on Pinterest. Use bright colors. Pick a nice font. And give value. For a little extra oomph, use some of the graphics on the Elements tab to spice up your work. Step 3. Post to Pinterest. Once you've posted a pin, use the link tab and send visitors directly to your affiliate product. Over time, you will start to see people clicking your link and purchasing the product. I'd recommend to post at least one pin per day. This gives you a chance to hit the algorithm and get your photos to a wide variety of people. Before we end the video, I have a bonus tip. Follow other people and comment. When you interact with other pins, you are giving yourself another chance to be seen by followers who are looking for your solution. We hope this video helped you a ton. If you enjoyed that, you'll probably like these videos too.